Bonjour la classe, c'est Madame Bini et aujourd'hui je vais vous faire la leçon. First of all, to turn on our French brain, can you put this sentence in the right order? In English the sentence should be, we are spending a lot of time in our house nowadays. So all the words are here, you just have to put them in the right order. I'm going to let you pause the video to have a think and then play again for the answer. Voilà la réponse. Here is the answer. On passe beaucoup de temps dans nos maisons ces temps-ci. On passe, we are spending, beaucoup, silent P, de temps, a lot of times, de temps, dans, in, nos, our, maison, houses, ces temps-ci, nowadays, ces temps-ci. So many silent letters. Okay, so this is the plan this week. Lundi, phonologie as always. Mardi et mercredi, we will have a look at the new language in person. We learn about the vocabulary of the house. Jeudi, this is our Zoom meeting where we'll practice the vocabulary of the house with a little quiz. Et vendredi, brand new, completely different to what we've done before. We'll expose you to a new vocabulary via a song, okay? So let's take things in the order and start with la phonologie, because aujourd'hui, nous sommes lundi et nous faisons la phonologie. Alors, as always, we go through the individual letters. This is the sound G. Okay, or j. It depends on the letters that go after it. So it could be g or could be j. We'll find out about the difference later on. U, t, s, g or j, f, e. It's going up the mountain, so it's a e sound. Z, like in English. A, not a, k, j or g, o, like in English. It's a nasal sound. If you say you should hear. If you put your finger on your nose, you should feel your nose vibrating slightly. Okay. J or g, I, not I, I. That's the confusion between the French I and the English I. Okay, this is I and this is e. R, P, J, G or J, U, Z, P, E, R, J or G, et S. Voilà. Now the words. First word is grosse. Grosse, which means big. But here the final E tells us that we're talking about a girl. Okay? It's an adjective, and adjectives in French follow the gender of what they describe. So you could say, for example, a big house, because house is feminine, grosse maison. If it was an apartment, which is masculine, it would be gros with a silent S. Okay? Very important, the difference between these two. Grosse feminine, gros masculine. Gazon, grass, gazon. Score, a score, like in football. Courir, to run. Continue, to continue. Goutte, a drop. Figure, a figure, but in the sense that like if you jump high, it's a figure, for example. Okay? Or it could be the face as well. Une figure in French is also a face. Okay? So, la figure de mon papa, the face of my dad. Figure. Zéro, zero. Frappe, hit. To hit something. Okay? Or in certain contexts, like the one we're going to look at today, like in football, frappe is to shoot the ball. Okay. Voilà les mots communs. These are common words. chaud, hot, chaude. Hot, but if it describes something feminine. If the house is hot because it's summer, c'est la maison est chaude. If it's an apartment, l'appartement est chaud. Silent final D. But the E here makes the D heard. Should. Fait. Does. For example, il fait. He does. Un. A. Like un appartement. A apartment. An apartment, sorry. D. Says. Il dit. He says. C'est. It is. Fille. Girl. Chaud. Hot. Masculine. Au. It's a preposition. It could be many different things. So for example, il joue au football. He plays football. In English, there is nothing there, but in French, we put an au. Okay? Je vais au Maroc. I go to Morocco. Au here is to. Okay? So it depends on the context. Chaude, for a feminine word. La maison est chaude. C'est, it is. Est, is. Fait, does. Elle fait, she does. Un, a. An apartment, un appartement. Un bonbon, a sweet. Chaude, hot. The water is hot. L'eau est chaude. Water is feminine in French. Moi, me. Dit, says. Chaud, hot. Le café est chaud. Coffee is masculine, so we say chaud. Le café est chaud. Chaude. La baignoire, the bath is hot. La baignoire is feminine, obviously, because I'm saying chaude. Oh, that little word that could be different things depending on the context. Moi, me. C'est, it is. Chaud, hot for a masculine word. Et pour, for. Ready to look at the story? Let's go. Voilà l'histoire. Here is the story. As always, I'm going to read it out. You can follow the story with me, and when you, as we're reading it, try to translate it in your head. And after that, I'll translate it for you, after you've made the effort to try by yourself. La partie de soccer. Samy va au parc avec son papa et avec Émile. Il fait si chaud. La figure du papa de Samy est pleine de grosses gouttes. Samy joue au soccer avec Émile sur le gazon. Samy frappe le ballon et fait un but. 1-0 pour moi, dit Samy. Émile continue de courir. Il fait un tir. 1 but, dit Émile. 1-1. C'est un score nul. Okay. Feel free to rewind and listen to this again. Take some time to come up with a translation by yourself. When you're ready, you can press play again and we'll translate it together. La partie de soccer. The football match. La partie is also a part of something, okay? But here in this context, that's how we say a football match. Samy va au parc. Samy goes to the park avec son papa, with his dad, et avec Émile, and with Émile. Il fait si chaud. It is so hot. Si, in this context here, is so hot. Il fait si chaud. We learned earlier that fait means does. It does means does. However, here with the weather, as you learned with us earlier, we use it to describe the weather. Il fait chaud, il fait beau, it's nice. Il fait mauvais, it's not nice weather. So once again, depends on the context using it. La figure du papa, the face of the dad, de Samy, of Samy. So Samy's dad's face est pleine, is full of grosses gouttes, big drops. La figure du papa de Samy est pleine de grosses gouttes. Samy's dad's face is full of big drops of obviously sweat. Sammy joue au soccer. Sammy plays football avec Émile sur le gazon. With Émile on the grass. Sammy frappe le ballon. Sammy shoots the ball et fait un but and score a goal. So here, Fred, once again, our little verb, we use it for so many things. Instead of score here, we say makes, does a goal. So doesn't make sense in English, but in French, you use it. 1-0, 1-0 pour moi, for me, says Sammy. Émile continue de courir. Émile carries on, continue to run. Il fait un tir. He shoots the ball. Here, il fait un but. He score a goal. Il fait un tir. He shoots the ball. Un but. Goal, dit Émile, says Émile. 1-1, 1-1. C'est un score nul. It's a draw. Okay, so now, as you know, you've got little activities to go through related to the text you've just read. So once again, try to do it without looking at the text too much. For some of the tasks you will have to, of course, but I'll let you carry on all by yourself, and you can find this particular page also on the PowerPoint in Firefly. So if you prefer to work on paper, you can just print the PowerPoint. Voilà, merci d'avoir écouté et I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's lesson. Au revoir.